Along with lawmaking, the parliament performs a number of other functions. Control over executive, asking questions, deliberating various bills and resolutions, passing or rejecting the no confidence motion. Then electoral function, participating in the election of the president and vice president. Constitutional amendment, timely amendment of the constitutional provisions. These are the other functions of the parliament. Not only legislation, parliament has other function also. Next topic, state legislature. In India, there are state legislature in all the states. Now, how many states are there in India? 28. They make laws on subjects that come under the state government. In majority of the state legislature has only one house. Such legislatures are called unicameral legislatures. Unicameral legislatures means in majority of the state legislature has only one house. A few states on other hand have bicameral legislature. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have bicameral legislatures. The lower house is known as the Legislative Assembly and the upper house is the Legislative Council. Executive in India. In India, there are two levels of executive. They are central executive and state executive. The central executive consists of the president, central ministers and bureaucracy. In India, there are two levels of executive, central executive and state executive. The president and ministers are elected and they are the political executive. Bureaucrats, on the other hand, are appointed on the basis of the certain qualification and they continue in office till retirement. They are known as the permanent executive. Next topic, president. Who is the current president of India? Find out. The president is the head of the Indian Republic. He is elected by an electoral college for a term of 5 years. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. And find out the current president of India. The electoral college consists of elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Rajya Sabha, elected members of state legislative assemblies. The electoral college consists of elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and elected members of state legislative assemblies. All the executive powers of the central government are vested with the President of India. But the performs all these functions with the support and advice given by the Council of Ministers. What are the qualifications of President? Must be a citizen of India. Next, should have completed 35 years of age. Then should have all other qualifications required for a member of Lok Sabha. These are the qualification of president. Functions of the president. appoint Prime Minister and other ministers, appoint Chief Justice and judges of the Supreme Court, nominate 12 members of Rajya Sabha and 2 members of Lok Sabha, act as the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces, give assent to bills passed by the Parliament, declare emergency in the country if needed, take decision on mercy petition. These are the functions of the President. The President is the head of the Indian Republic. He is elected by an electoral college for a term of 5 years.